Hi everybody, I am Johir speaking. I welcome all of you to my English channel, Johir's English Care. And the Facebook page is also similar, that is Johir's English Care. In today's lesson, I welcome all of you to enjoy the class, to enjoy the difference between at and in. That is the class of preposition. In today's lesson, you all will learn the difference between two commonly confused prepositions, which are to and at. So the thing to remember is that to always suggest movement or direction, and to with movement you are going to someone, to some place, or towards something. And at, there is the another preposition, that is at. At suggests a location in place or time. So to something at somewhere. So look at the whiteboard, my dear students and viewers. There is a movement, there is a direction, and also there is a location. You can get the point. So my dear learners and viewers, to movement, to direction. So let's see, and you can realize what I would like to mention here. To movement, to direction. Again, I would like to request you all to see or to observe at. That will be used before the location. Yes, you are right. So movement, direction can be divided into three ways. What are they? They are person, place, thing. Person, place and thing. Yes, you are right. And the second one, at, that is one of the prepositions, and that is of course crucial, of course essential. However, before the location we should apply at preposition. So that is divided into two ways: place, time. It's okay, you got the point. So right now I would like to share about person, place and thing, and there are some of the examples. Actually, I believe in practical class, I believe in examples, I believe in possibilities. That's why I request you all not to give the importance on the grammar, just give the importance on the examples. Practically, I would like to request you here, look at the whiteboard. I talked to him. Just I gonna talk to my friend, I gonna talk to my parents, I gonna talk to my teachers. So I can call the teacher. Sir, how are you? Okay, I'm fine. And you? Me too. It's okay, no problem. That is a greeting. But I would like to talk to him face to face. So whenever I'm going to talk to others, I can say here, I talk to him, I talk to my student, I talk to my learners, I talk to my father, I talk to my mother. You are right. Next one, we went. That is the past form of go. So we can say we went school. So is this a person or direction or thing? Of course, you got first one, there is a person, that is pronoun. So I talk to him, I talk to my teacher, I talk to my parents, they are person. Next one, we went to school. What kind of direction is it? We can say here person, place or thing. You got the point. Of course, that is a place. You are absolutely right. So you can say here, I went to school, we went to school, you went to school. That is a direction. Just I am going to school, I am going to college, I am going to university, I am going to market, I am going to somewhere, you are right. And the next one, we walked. Just I am walking. Okay, is it walking or running? Yes, I am walking, I am not running. If I run, I can run here in the way, okay, in this way. However, I walk. So I walked to her car. So am I walking or am I walking anybody? Yes, I walked or we walked to her car. I am walking, you can tell her I walk the baby, because the baby is so little. So I can walk the baby. I can walk to the baby. Am I right? It's okay. The lady is just the lady is adult. So how can I walk her? If I would like to walk her, I can say here, I walk to the lady. I walk to the lady. You are absolutely right. And there are so many verbs: go, run, fly, speak, write, speak, send. So speak is used here twice in this way. However, so you can apply one of the verb: go, write, run, speak, fly, send. However, there is a place, there is a thing. You can apply some of the verbs from here. If you like to go to the place, just right now I am going to market, I am going to school, I am going to college. So you can say here, I go to college. So what kind of thing is it? Is this a thing or place? Yes, you are right, this is a place. So I go to school. Next one, I speak. Just you can say here, you can give any other examples. I speak to my friend, I speak to my father. It's okay. Thank you so much. You got the point. You can practice more than once by the help of those verbs. Okay, next one. Right now, I would like to give the importance on at preposition. Already you got the point how to apply to preposition. So what's it? It's at. This is a location. This is a location. Before location or place or time, you can use at. So right now practically I am going to teach you here. You can see some of the sentences. We arrived at the airport, at the bus stand, at the cinema hall, anywhere you can stay. So how about you can say here, we arrived at the airport and wake me up at 6 a.m. Wake me up. What do you mean by wake me up? You can say I wake up at 6 a.m. early in the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. But I would like to say you here, wake me up. Wake me up. Wake me up. Who wakes me? My mother wakes me. Actually, most of the students, especially I would like to say about me, it's really difficult to wake up early in the morning. So my mother tries to wake up me at 6 a.m. Or I'm not habitual. It's really difficult to wake up early in the morning to perform our dawn prayer. I mean Fajr prayer. So in this case, my mom wakes me up. My mom wakes me up at 6 a.m. or at 5 a.m. So before the time I have used here at. Am I right? And before the place I have used here at. Okay, you can tell any other examples. I arrive at the airport, I arrive at the bus stand, I arrive at the college, I arrive at the university, I arrive at the market, I arrived at anywhere. It's okay. Thank you so much. Let's see any other examples. There are so many examples from 1 to 6. I can speak here. We stayed dash home. Already you got the point. According to the just structure, according to the expressions of at preposition or to preposition, I would like to share you here some of the examples, practical examples. So there is no preposition before time, place, thing, place, person. Before person, place, thing, place, time, we are going to use some of the prepositions. I mean specific prepositions, particular prepositions I should use here. Am I right? It's okay. So you can try those who watch my video. We stayed to whom or at whom? Could you please tell me? We stayed at whom or to whom? Which one is right? Yes, you are absolutely right. That will be here at preposition. At preposition. We stayed at home because there is a place. There is a place. Is this a location? Yes, you are right. That is a location. Next one. I spoke or I meet. How can I say here? I spoke Mr. John. John is a person. Am I right? There is a person. Before person, whom should I use here? Before person, what should I use here? Before person, I can say here, I spoke to John. Yes, you are right. I spoke to John. Next one. She went dash the bank. So what kind of place is it? We can say here, the bank. The bank. Is this the bank place or anything else? So there is a place. And is there any direction? I went, she went. So I went, she went. Everybody went. So I went to school or college. So I went or she went dash the bank. So is this the direction? Yes, you are right. There is the direction. We should say here, she went to the bank. Yes, you are right. Next one. I sent a hand copy, or I sent a mail, or anything else. I sent anything else or hand copy dash my student. Just I am sending something else. So at my student or to my student. At my student or to my student. Which one is right? Yes, you are right. To my student. I sent a hand copy to my student. Next one. The movie starts. The movie starts. Before the time. Before the time. Is there time? There is no time. There is the time. Before the time. What should we use? Yes, you are right. At preposition is right. So you can say here, the movie starts at 4 p.m. or 4 a.m. That's up to the moment. Okay, a.m. or p.m. However, next one. This is the last sentence or example. Meet him. Meet him. Just meet him. That's the coffee shop. So you may have many friends. You are so happy. Happily, you decided with your friends to go to the coffee shop. So before going to the coffee shop, how to say the sentence? So you can say here, oh my dear friend, you can call your friend. Oh friend, Mr. Rana, where are you right now? Okay, I am at home. Okay, right now you are being cordially requested to meet him. Where to meet him, that's the coffee shop. So what kind of thing is it? How can I identify it? Is this the place, time or thing? Which one is this? The coffee shop. So the coffee shop is the place. So there is a verb, that is meet. Meet him, that's the coffee shop. So meet him at the coffee shop or to the coffee shop. Which one is right? Yes, you are right. Because there is the place. There is the place. Before the place or before the location, we can say here at the coffee shop. Yes, meet him at the coffee shop. Meet him at the coffee shop. You got the point. I hope, my dear learners and viewers, you have understood the class. Though I have tried my best to make you understand the lesson. However, if you would like to do some more practice, please go to my channel and go to my Facebook page, that is Johir's English Care. There are so many classes already I conducted, more than once. I am sure you will find something that you are looking for at your level, in your specific area. And especially grammar, pronunciation, presentation in English, or how to give the presentation, how to speak fluently, how to raise your fluency in English. You will get everything in my channel and so on. Don't worry, just try to subscribe to my channel and to keep on getting lessons that will help you to improve your skill step by step. Thank you so much, or thank you very much for watching, and all the best with your English class. I hope you will be fine, you will be okay. See you later. Bye bye, tata, Allah Hafiz.